welcome to Dash of Spices. Today we are going to make a healthy infused water. I made 3 healthy infused water. The first one is the ginger, lemon, cucumber, and mint. The second one is watermelon, kiwi, grapefruit, and a mint. And this one is called Yellow Mellow, which has pineapple, lemon, and mango. So if you want to learn how to make a healthy infused water, please stay tuned and watch the entire video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. It's free. Also, leave me a comment down below if you have questions about this healthy infused water. So let's get started. So our ingredients are grapefruit, watermelon, mint, ginger, lemon, mango, pineapple, cucumber, and of course the water. I already pre-sliced all my fruits and also the ginger. It's actually better if you do this ahead of time so it's easy to make your drink. Now let's start making our healthy infused water. First one is Happy Tummy Detox Water. This detox water consists of ginger, which is an anti-inflammatory, could help you reduce muscle pain. Also is known to lower blood sugar level. Lemon, of course, this is high in vitamin C and fiber and will support heart health. Also will help you with if you're trying to lose weight. The mint suits upset stomach, so if you have stomach issue, then the mint will be perfect remedy. So right here, I'm trying to release the nutrients from the ginger fast. The faster to do that is to pour hot water. This will release the nutrients from the ginger faster. Now I'm adding a distilled water and ice. And I actually forgot, it's supposed to add the cucumber right away, but here you go. Cucumber contains antioxidant and will help you lose weight if you're trying to lose weight. Also, this is good for to lower your blood sugar. So this drink right here is perfect if you have diabetes or if you're trying to lose weight or if you have bloating. This will help you take care of that bloating. Next one is the Hello Yellow Mellow. Starts with mango. Mango is high in antioxidant and may improve hair and skin health. Pineapple contains powerful nutrients. This has high antioxidant and this may reduce the risk of cancer. Of course, we're adding lemon. So we have mango, pineapple, and lemon. Hello, Yellow Mellow. And again, add distilled water and some ice. This is like a tropical infused water. All you need is the beach. There you go. Such a good drink. Very healthy for you. Next, the third one is Immune Booster. Let's start with grapefruit. Grapefruit is a high, powerful antioxidant. May help you lose weight and also may lower your risk of having a stroke. Kiwi contains a lot of antioxidant as well. It's a good source of fiber. And some watermelon, which helps you hydrate throughout the day. Watermelon will add a lot of delicious flavor to your infused water. And now just add distilled water and some mint. There you go. There is our immune booster. The grapefruit is a high, powerful antioxidant. So this drink is very healthy for you. There you go. You have yourself a healthy infused water. Here is our Happy Tummy Detox Water. And there's the Hello Yellow Mellow. And our Immune Booster Infused Water. Very easy to make, guys. You should make one. I hope you like this video. Again, give it a thumbs up. Thank you to our subscribers, to our current subscribers. Thank you very much for supporting our channel. Until next time, ciao!